Here's how to download your full Amazon order history as a report. Start by opening Amazon in your browser and signing into your account. This process only works on the desktop version, not the mobile app. Now, hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right and click your account. This will take you to your main account dashboard. Next, click Your Orders. You can view recent orders here, but downloading all of them requires a special tool. Scroll down the page until you find a link labeled Order History Reports. If you don't see it, you can also visit this page directly by typing amazon.com/order-history into your browser. On the Order History Reports page, you'll see different report types like items, orders and shipments, and refunds. Choose the report type you want, then select the date range. You can download 1 year, multiple years, or even your entire Amazon purchase history. Once you've selected everything, click Request Report. Amazon will now generate the report. You'll see it appear in the Your Report section below. When the status changes to Download, click the Download button to save the file to your computer. The report is usually delivered as a CSV spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Amazon order history.